Welcome everyone to Harley-Davidson of Danbury's virtual showroom. My name's Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of the dealership. I want to welcome you into our home. I've got an awesome 2019 Harley Factory Custom Paint Breakout to show you today, but you're likely to see this on both YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and as a Facebook reel. If you're watching this as a reel, go to the comments section and I will provide the link in there for you to link to the full video. I'm going to give you a walk around and review to this breakout. It's a 2019 at Harley-Davidson of Danbury FXBRS Breakout. It's got the 3.8 gallon gas tank, custom skull gas cap. But here's one of my favorite things. 3,700 miles on the odometer. Custom mirrors. This is a fantastic motorcycle. It's also got a custom shorty fender. So the 240 millimeter super wide fat rear tire really looks sharp. This is a gorgeous motorcycle. And when you look at this bike with this custom fender and this 240 millimeter tire, you're looking at one of the most beautiful ass ends in the motorcycle business. Now, we've got staggered dual exhaust, Milwaukee 8 valve engine. That means 4 valves per cylinder, dual spark plugs. This is a 114. We've got forward controls. We've got a 6-speed transmission, and then we've got a belt drive that's quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free. So this is a real awesome motorcycle. Big 21-inch front wheel. We've got anti-lock brakes. Again, this beautiful blue pearl. In 2019, this was part of the Harley-Davidson custom paint program that you have here. So we've got an LED headlight, a chrome and black wrinkle engine, semi-floating rotors, front and back, and I think I also mentioned the anti-lock brakes now. We've also got a pleated California custom solo seat on this motorcycle. This bike is in beautiful shape. It's $17,495, just under $18K for this motorcycle. Come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We are open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6 p.m., Saturdays, 10 to 4. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about our dealership. And you can reach us and call us if you want to schedule a test ride on this motorcycle at 203-730-2453. But behind me is our Screaming Eagle Performance Center. Harley-Davidson of Danbury offers dynamometer tuning services. We have a DynoJet 250i dynamometer. So if you want your bike carburetor fuel injected to run its best and make the most possible horsepower, bring it to us at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Now, also, I want to point out we're a factory authorized Jekyll and Hyde dealer. Jekyll and Hyde is a multi-mode, 3 modes, quiet, medium, and loud, all controlled by the handlebar. You can change it on the fly. Made in the Netherlands, super high quality, all nickel-plated internals to resist exhaust gas corrosion. We're authorized for that. And also, I want to point out, I'm a huge fan of Dan Fitzmaurice and Zippers Performance. We are a Zippers Performance authorized dealer. We do a lot of red shift cams. We're going to be doing a Lowrider S with a Zippers 128 kit, and it's going to be fast. So come see me, Al Lucchino, Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We appreciate your business. We've got an awesome 2019 custom paint breakout with the super fat 240 millimeter tire for you. This bike is clean enough and spotless enough you can eat off it. So thank you for watching. We'll see you at the dealership. Come on down and let's go riding.